In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Gemini API keys in Google AI Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to safely copy your new key so you can start integrating Gemini into your projects with confidence. First, open Google AI Studio in your web browser. This is the workspace where you manage access to Gemini and related tools. Give the page a moment to load so all the options appear. The interface may look slightly different from time to time as it gets updated, but the process remains the same. Stay on the main dashboard so you can easily find the controls we'll use next. Next, look for the option labeled Get API Key. It's typically placed in a prominent spot in the navigation or on the homepage area of Google AI Studio. Go ahead and click Get API Key. This takes you to a dedicated area designed for generating and managing keys. If you see a brief message explaining what an API key is or how it's used, skim it so you're clear about what you're creating and why it matters. An API key is like a pass that lets your application talk to Gemini securely. Now, click Create API Key. This is the action that triggers the platform to generate a brand new key for you. After clicking, wait just a moment while Google AI Studio prepares your key. You don't have to configure anything complicated here, simply allow the tool to finish. When it's ready, you'll see your freshly created API key displayed on the screen. Treat this key like a password. Anyone with access to it can use your account's resources. Once the key appears, copy it. You'll usually see a copy icon or a clearly marked button to place it onto your clipboard instantly. Double-check that you grabbed the full key with no extra spaces. Paste it into a safe place you control, such as a secure Notes app or your project's environment variables. Avoid sharing it in chats, emails, or public code repositories and never display it in screenshots or demos. That's it. You opened Google AI Studio, clicked Get API Key, clicked Create API Key, let the platform generate it, and then copied it securely. Keep your key safe, and if it's ever exposed, generate a new one and retire the old key promptly. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Gemini.